In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy numerous CSV files and place them on separate sheets in Excel. So in my folder I have on my desktop, I have truck reports on what the vehicles have done. So basically these are 3 CSV files that state the mileage that happened in April, May, and June. And I would like to total them up to see what these employees are doing with their trucks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my sheet here and I'm going summarize. Now these CSV files will be copied to individual sheets on my workbook here, and then I'm going to total them all up in the main sheet. So let's click summarize. And so there you have my May summary, my June summary, my April summary, and here's the totals. And there's the total for each of them as you go down. Now this is very easy because I used the query tables to add data to our sheet. Now what I did is I said we're looking in the same path as where the workbook is located. I declared S equals path plus wildcard and CSV, and while S did not look was anything, then workbook sheets adds. You add a sheet to the workbook, set sheet at SH is active sheet, and with sheet query tables add connection and path and destination. And then we set some parameters for that, and then I set the sheet name. For each of the sheet name it the left 12 of what we have as the file name. Then this is the end while, and then we're calling summarize. So now let's go look at my summarize. Summarize is basically it's going through every sheet in the workbook. Now, it's calling this other program, and it's totaling kilometers. Now, what I'm doing, the total distance is a double, the last row and end row, and so R and C as long, month as a string. Worksheet activate, last row is the last row in the active sheet, month is the active sheet name. If month equals summary, then exit sub, so that means we don't need to total the total sheet. And then the total distance equals application sum, so the total distance is on each of the sheet. It's in the B column or C column from the second row to the last row. And then what it's doing is it's putting it on the last row in our summary sheet, which is the sheet 2. So, I will of course include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.